Okay, new video here guys, and now I'm going to change the air filter. I'm not sure if the air filter needs to be changed, but I'm going to change them anyway so you know how to do it. As you see, what I'm holding up is not the regular Tesla air filter. This is some sort of HEPA filter, and this one is from Abstract Ocean. It's activated charcoal with some antibacterial, yeah, something much more technical than I am. It's supposed to be really good, and you can see the charcoal and other stuff in there, and it also makes this noise, which makes me a little bit concerned. Are this gonna rattle around when I'm driving or not? I don't know. I have to see. I have to try. But anyways, these are supposed to be HEPA standard quality, like really good quality. And I also know that Elon Musk, he says that to ensure the best quality of air in the Model 3, you should have your HVAC set to manual and the fan speed of 5, and also recirculation of the air. That way the air is gonna pass through the two filters multiple times and gonna get your air much cleaner. But most of you probably just use it on auto like I do, and I'm gonna take it out and change them, show you how we do it, and also gonna put on this thing, which I don't know where I got from, but it's been lying around and it's supposed to keep debris from coming into the air intake. But that's gonna be the last part. We do this once. Okay, so in order to change the air filter, it's behind here, and that's under the passenger dashboard in the footwell. And you got a carpet here, and this is center console. So what we need to do is take off this plastic trim here, and everything is fixed with clips, so you don't have to worry. You just have to get a hold on this one. Now I can start pulling it out. So this whole piece here is fixed with plastic clips. The whole thing with the carpet. So as you can see, we just pull it out. Fixed with standard automotive clips. So with that out of the way, you have this view, and the next thing we're gonna do is take out, there's a panel up here, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 or 5 small plastic clips. We gotta take them out to take out down this area here. We use just a small tool to pry them out. You take them out and you just remove the whole thing. That piece looks like this. So just a normal plastic clip. You take everyone out, and then we can just take down that thing. So with that out of the way, we can just take this whole panel down. Okay, so here we have a wire to the light, and you have a wire to the speaker, and this is a speaker which is giving you notifications like autopilot, that thing. yeah, we're just gonna remove and also remove that one. So here you have this orange wire. It's fixed with zip ties to the same kind of clips that was holding the panel here with the carpet. So we just take a hold of it and pull out. And then we pull the other clip out. And I just want to free it so we get to that small area behind here. That's where the air filter is. I'm gonna put it there for the moment. All the way on the top there, do you see that small screw? That's a Torx 20. I believe it is a Torx 20. That one we have to take off, and then we can take off this plastic thing, and behind there is the two filters. This plastic cover here, we can take that out, and that's a small piece here. And behind there you will see the air filter. So on this air filter there's supposed to be a tab, but of course this is Tesla, so nothing is up to spec, but it's up to Tesla spec, so I have to stick my finger in here and grab a hold of the filter because the tab is tucked in. Yeah, I'm gonna get a tool. Okay, so I need to use a tool to get a hold on the filter, because you see up here there's a tab, and yeah, this tab is supposed to be out here so you can access your filter. But when Tesla made this car, I don't know what they did, but the usual Tesla stuff, they just put it in like this and they didn't leave the tab out. So yeah, harder to reach. I'm gonna get the second filter, and the second filter is below. It's down below, so you need to fish it up. And it's a little bit harder. Now I can get a hold of that tab, you fish it up, and then take it out. Okay. Okay, so this is the new filters and this is the old filters, and as you can see, they're quite dirty, but not that bad, and I haven't really had any like pungent smells or, you know, like bad odor. I've seen that my front windscreen is fogging up more, but maybe that's an issue with this one. So you can see it's a little bit dirty. It's supposed to be nice and clean here, but look on the other side. That's pretty gray. You can see there's a lot of stuff here. Some spiders, leaves. Let's see what we can get out. Yeah. So you see there's a lot of seeds from trees, some mosquitoes, different kind of stuff. Here too. Here's Daddy Longlegs, a small one. There's even some plastic, I don't know. But you can see all this dirt just shaking this filter. Easy like that. So yeah, good thing we're gonna change them. Now we're gonna install the new ones. I'm still unsure about that sound, but it's probably a wall. It's probably thought through. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna install the filters, and the black side with the honeycomb, that's gonna be on the inside. This is gonna be on the outside. So to install it, we just do the same. We slide them in that slot where they came out, and we remembered the tab this time. And now we're just gonna make it get in there. Find this slot. There's like you just have to fill it so it goes in straight, and now it's black on black here, so it's really hard to see, but when you got it in there you will feel it goes down into its slot there. So this one is nice and set in there. I'm gonna leave that tab up there so I can reach it. Then we do the second filter, and remember to keep your tab on the outside, the honeycomb black charcoal thing to the inside, and we're just gonna slide that in there as well, like that. It's on top of the other filter. That tab, we're just gonna push it down so it's easily accessible, and we're gonna take it out again. Now everything is installed, and hopefully this is some good quality stuff. Then we just put on the plastic piece here, the cover. After putting that cover into the slot down below, you just attach the screw again. And also worth mentioning, here you can look straight into the bottom of the car. If you lose anything in here, it's gonna rattle around like crazy and you're gonna be nuts, so make sure you don't lose anything in here. So after successfully doing that, you take your wire and you connect those clips. There's two spots here which is gotta be connected, and you just push it on. Like that. It's gonna go behind that one, and that clip, and that clip. Now we gotta put on the cover here and the cover there. Doing this, remember, connect your speaker and then connect your light. This one has a tab here which goes there, so we want to slide that on there. And then you take your plastic clips and you leave them out like this. You put them in and then you push in that pin. That's locking them in place. And then it's our cover. So put that back in place, and you can easily align it here. Put it back. Like that. So now we're all done. We changed the filters. Now we're gonna put on that thing which is gonna prevent all those leaves and insects coming into the filters. Okay, so getting there. We're gonna remove this one. And here you can see this is the air intake directly down here. Apparently those pins doesn't do the job. They probably do, but I'm gonna put on that thing anyway. And that's gonna cover up here. So I'm just gonna wipe around here with some alcohol. and this thing is probably going on that way. So it's supposed to fit inside here, and actually a good fitment. I think this is some Chinese stuff, but the fitment is really good. So I put it in like this, and hopefully this is gonna keep bugs and larger debris like leaves and that kind of stuff to go inside the filter. Yeah, pretty easy and very doable. Everyone can do that one. Put on this one again. You just clip it on. You can hear the clip, and yeah, that's basically it. Wow, so changing out those filters, turning on the HVAC. Right now it smells of a new car. It's really nice smell. I don't know, it smells, you can smell it right away. You smell it, you smell there's something new. So maybe that's a good sign. It's actually working better. Maybe the old ones were worse than I thought. But had them lying around. It's been a year. It was probably due to make the change on the car. So, but really, wow, that smell, unbeatable. It's like a brand new car. Okay, so I'm gonna keep you posted on how, if I hear any noise from the new filters. As you can see, this one was kind of dirty. There's a lot of shit going on down here. You can't really see it on the camera, but I can see a lot of bugs everywhere. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment if you like, and see you in the next movie.